Hi guys, I wanted to show you today a new machine that I bought a little while ago, but I just started using it. It's the Go Press and Foil. Okay, so this is how this thing works. First of all, you plug it in and the red light comes on. Then you have to actually press on the button for it to start blinking. That's when it starts to heat up. Then you make a sandwich of open it up. Then you put, for this, these are special, they're called foil stamp die. It doesn't cut because it's got flat surfaces, so it doesn't really cut. But I have this is the Anna Griffin one, but there's different ones that you can get. Different companies make them now. This one, when I ordered my machine, it came with it, so that's how I'm gonna show you this one, this rose. So here's what you do. You put this rose right on top first, because that's what starts heating. It needs to heat up for it to work. Then you make a sandwich of the foil that comes with it. Comes in a roll of foil, but you can also get different colors. Like I have this pack right here that came with the different colors. But anyway, so you cut the size of the foil you need. I didn't want to take the time of doing it in front of here, so that's the foil, and then the paper that you're gonna have it, the foil image transferred onto. So cut the paper a little larger, that way if you need to trim the sides, if the rows are off, or the, like with these, especially rose, probably is not going to be as noticeable if it's not straight, but with these you really can tell when it's not exactly perfectly lined up on the side. So make the paper bigger than you need, that way you can trim it and make it the size you need it. But obviously you can't make it more than the size of the machine. So anyway, so here's the paper, and then this is the side that it's going to be transferring from the here to the paper. So this is what goes against the paper, not the color of the foil, but the other weird stuff. So you put it on top of the paper like this, and then the colored foil, you put it against the image here. So this is how it goes, like that. And with the rose, it shouldn't be too bad noticeable. Then I watched different videos, and everybody says you need to add a shim. So what I took is I used 100-pound paper, folded it in half, and they say for most machines it works this way, but sometimes you have to play around to make it work. With watching the videos, I realized that I did it once and it worked perfect. I don't know if it was just exactly the thing. So now the red light is blinking, so we're waiting until it turns green. We'll let that sit and let it do its thing. There's these tweezers and a mat that comes with the machine. This is to cool off your foil stamp die, because they do get warm. They're not awfully hot, but they do get warm enough. So if you're very sensitive, don't touch them with your hands. That's what these tweezers are here for. They work a little different than normal. You would think you'd have to grab it like that. Nope, that's not how it works. To make it easy, see how you can't take it off now? Oh, that's really stuck on there. So what you do, you close the tweezers first, and then you pick up the item with it, like that. And then put it on the mat, and let go, and these open up, and that comes off. interesting. I think one of my kids was playing with us because the little magnet thing started coming undone, but okay. Anyways, see how the light changed to green? What I do to double check, make sure it's heated enough, I'll pull it out, put it back in, and check, make sure it doesn't turn red. And if it's green, then we're gonna do it. Okay, so basically what you do now, you take it off of here, put it into your machine, and start rolling just like regular. Let me move this out of the way so you can see. Oh, and it's better if you go slow on it, so it has enough time to do what it needs to do. Just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. You could go back one more time just to make sure. I'll see if it'll work. I didn't do it the first time, but we'll see if I need to do it or not. Okay. There we go. Now, set that aside. Have the mat ready. Oh, okay, there we go. Now, let's see what we got. I'm gonna take it out, put it down here so you can see it. We open this up. See how, probably okay, but you can tell it's heating here. You can't really see it, but you can see the image on here if you look carefully. So let's see and get it done. Open it and take a look. Remember, it is warm, so you could just use your tweezers to lift the paper up if you want. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. So it's warm. You close them up, put it against it. See how I lifted it up? Put it on here, let it go, and there it goes. Okay, now we can close this up. If you're gonna do multiple of them, just put it right back on the heater and let it keep warming. Okay, but let's see the beautiful picture. The most important part, right? Okay, so here we go. Ta-da! There's my beautiful image. Let's try to get it straight so you can actually see it better. Oh, there you go. Oh. See how beautiful that is? It's all in foil. Try to bring it closer so you can... Okay, that's better. See how beautiful that is? Going the wrong way. Look how beautiful that rose is. This way, and then I'll show you this way also. And it worked perfect. I didn't even have to do it more than once. And then don't throw this away. You do know you can use this leftover piece. Look how beautiful the design left on there. What you could do, you can use sequin tape, and then, or some kind of really sticky tape. Don't use the red one. Red one I don't think works the same way. But make a paper sticker by putting that sheet of sticky paper on there, and then carefully place this on top of it, just carefully, and then just put it through the machine, the Big Kick machine, roll it through maybe a couple times, and then check and see. Actually, let's do, that's what I was gonna tell you. This one, since it was my very first time ever using this machine, it was a little bit off. So what I did, I just took some scissors and fussy cut it out. And how beautiful! I want to do a bouquet of flowers in the middle. So I can either do it on top of pink paper like this. Look how beautiful the card. And then do some flowers like this. Sure. I have some flowers here. Just like that, maybe a few leaves on there. Maybe one like that. Look how beautiful. There you go. There's a card for you. But if I'm gonna do it on pink, I might do purple flowers. I think that would be a beautiful combination of the two. But see how gorgeous that is? There you go. There's a card for you. But I was gonna show you that's something you can do. Try it. Or maybe I'll do another video and show you guys. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll post the picture at the very beginning then. I can't quite edit to put it somewhere in the middle, but I can put a picture when I start the video so you can see what the finished product looks like. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos, share, and I'm so glad you joined me. Thank you. Have a great day.